Today I'm making, well, not me. Today we're making the shelves for my spools of thread. I'm talking about, you know, the big spools of thread that go on your serger. This time last year, I believe it was last year, maybe it's been 2 years now, I purchased a serger secondhand from somebody on Facebook Marketplace. It was her mom's, and her mom couldn't see very well anymore, so she was selling it for her. And it came with all of her spools, and I have so many of them. It's more thread than I will ever need, and it'll probably be dry rotted before I'm able to use it all, but it's so nice that I can have it and display it, and it'll look beautiful in my space, add a lot of color to the space. So I'm excited to have them on the wall and to share the process of us making them with you.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Okay, so the shelves are painted and they are ready to be hung up. My husband's gonna do most of the work of hanging them up. He did most of the work of building them, and then I just painted them. I'm excited to get these hung up. I'm excited to see what they're gonna look like on the wall. Now that the shelves are hung, I'm going to wipe the wall off from all of the markings that we did, and I'm going to put all of the spools of thread on it, and this wall will be complete. I think a magic eraser will actually be better for the job than, yeah, great. Here's all the thread that we're going to be hanging on the wall. I think I want to do it in somewhat of a rainbow. I laid them out on my floor the other day of how I wanted them, and then I put them back in the box that way. So I'm just going to start putting them on the shelf. All of the shelves are hung, and I put the threads on the wall, and this is my beautiful thread wall. I'm so happy with it. It's beautiful. It's everything that I hoped and dreamed, and I think that it couldn't be any better. Thank you for watching. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified when I post next, and I will see you in the next video.